We want to share with you the mission of learning to clean with love and learning to truly have a servant's heart. And from that, you will soar and you won't stop rising above. Your circumstances are not you. Where you came from is not you. You are created as an individual and you are capable of anything that you put your mind to. Everyone is capable of success despite your circumstances, and actually through your circumstances, you can succeed. You can use those experiences, no matter how difficult, to give you that lift, to give you that drive to soar. After a time, I realized that the things that I was choosing to see as valuable were the things that were holding me back the most. From the time I was very little, I lived in a very abusive home, and I went from that home as still a teenager, got married, and jumped into another abusive situation. But I always had this feeling and just knowledge in my heart that God would guide me somewhere else, that I wouldn't always be here. And I kind of functioned in that sense of waiting and just trying my best, even though I didn't understand how to even barely function in this world. And I came to a point where I just decided I wasn't gonna take it anymore. I wanted to move forward in my life. And I didn't even know how I was gonna start. I didn't know the first thing about starting a maid service, the business, the legal aspect, the insurance. But I decided that that's what I needed to do. I had always loved cleaning, but I didn't know that I could really do well for myself in doing that. I thought I had to go to school. That's what the world tells you. When we first came to Walla Walla, all we had was a broken vacuum and some cleaning supplies. But you know what we did have? Even though we didn't have money and we didn't have connections. We didn't have money, we didn't have connections. We barely had equipment, supplies. We had our hearts, we had our minds, and we were driven to make it happen. My husband and I had gone door to door all day for like a week or something, which we got no phone calls from, but we did get our first email.
And the computer was like, bing! And I said, Grace, we got our first email on our new company email address. And so we're like running over to the computer. We sit down in front of the computer, we look at it, and we're like thinking, man, we're gonna get our first job.
And that email said, your company name sucks. You will never succeed in Walla Walla. Wow.
And we don't want your handmade services, and your business is gonna die, basically. And like, we went from like super happy to like just bam.
You know what? Thank you for this. Thank you for our very first welcome email from Walla Walla.
We're gonna go out there tomorrow, pound the pavement again, put more flyers up.
We will succeed and we will prove you wrong. So that's what we did.
So after our cleaning service grew, and we were voted best of the best in the valley for a few years, I thought, you know, maybe Grace will be happy now and she'll just settle down a little bit and she'll be like, yay, we're growing a cleaning service, but that's not what Grace did or said. When God put this opportunity like right on our laps, I sat there and I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. In our community, there are other professional cleaners from all over the world, from Pakistan, France, the Philippines, anywhere in the States, and we're all doing the same thing no matter where we are in the world. Create a community where we can bring homeowners and professional cleaners together right here on Facebook, because that's where everybody's at. That's where we're at right now. And connect people, because together we're stronger. And so this cleaning community, Handmaid Cleaning Connection, our dream, our goal is to increase the respect and the awareness and the need for professional cleaning all over the world, and then bring people together and share with each other on this journey.
If you're struggling to make ends meet and you work hard and you are just fighting for every, step of the way in your life, we really want to help you, and we really want to show you how you can do this for yourself and for your community. We want to share with you the mission of learning to clean with love and learning to truly have a servant's heart, and from that you will soar and you won't stop rising above. It is an invaluable skill, and it's truly a skill. Handmaid is the place to be if you want to learn the invaluable nature of cleaning, the invaluable nature of what you are doing in other people's homes, the invaluable nature of your skill and your progress in this industry. And this will help you not only provide quality services, but it will help you provide yourself with the financial ability to continue to grow in this industry. We are here to provide you with that skill set and to see the cleaning service industry in a whole new light. Come, follow us. Let us show you, let us guide you, let us be with you along the way, and we promise you will not regret it. When you come to Handmaid Cleaning, you're joining a family where everyone is supporting and encouraging each other. We're really able to promote the industry as a whole to the public, because they're in this group as well, and they have their eyes on us. They see how we interact. They see how much goes into what we do, how many things we have to think about, what we deal with on a daily basis. We believe here at Handmaid Cleaning Connection, this is a necessary aspect of bringing respect for our industry. We know how to get you from point A to Z. If you are with our Handmaid Cleaning Connection family, you will never be alone in your journey.